We are now adding the curry paste to the fresh herbs and seasonings that we just added to the pot. And then we will stir this and let this simmer. We are now adding the potatoes and also the Channa. This is also known as chickpeas. And we are now stirring. And you will also add in the water so that it doesn't dry out. Now we are adding half a teaspoon of cumin to the pot as well, just to give it some additional flavor. You can never have too much flavor in your pot. So we are adding half a teaspoon of salt to our Channa and potatoes. Now, for you, you might add a different amount of salt, but add to taste. You just mix it in. Our curry is almost ready. Now that our curry has cooked, this is the final result. It's simmering and we'll actually take it off the stove. And there you have it, folks. A nice curry Channa and potatoes.